Hey, Bryn here with a quickie on how to remove the door from your Hotpoint oven. Now, all oven door hinges differ depending on the make and model, but I'm going to show you how to remove an oven door that uses a rotating latch on the hinge. This is the hinge system used in the vast majority of oven doors. If your oven uses a different system, you'll need to refer to your user manual. Now, the all-important area that we're interested in is the hinge itself. As you can see, this one has a rotating latch, which I can open using a flathead screwdriver. Now, when they're both in the fully open position, all you do is close the door up a bit, lift it, and remove the door. To replace the door, simply reverse the process. Line the hinges up, open the door fully, and then here's the really important bit. You must make sure these hinges are fully locked into place. If these aren't secure, then the door won't be secure either. Then you're done. To order any replacement doors or hinges, or to find your local Hotpoint engineer, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.